Well, hello friends, I'm back again with a new video and this background because it is sort of related to beauty and makeup. So yes, I was planning on not exactly planning on. So when I was beginning my makeup thing or just exploring all the makeup things, obviously I'm not an expert as of now as well, but when I was just a beginner, then I was like, okay, what things should I use to give a whole glam look on my face. And I YouTubed and I searched a lot of things, but then I didn't really get a lot of things that I as a beginner should have known. So yes, I thought why not make a video and actually tell you guys what exactly should you guys have as a beginner when you are just starting up and you want that you glam up your face with very little makeup products. And this is how I exactly looked after using those 5 products. Also, I will be doing only half a face like this thing, so that you can actually understand the difference between this and this part. Yes, let's get started. So the first thing should definitely be an eyebrow pencil. And you should definitely invest in an eyebrow pencil because trust me, it will change your look completely and you will look very beautiful when you actually do your eyebrows. And if you have very sparse eyebrows or the color of your eyebrows is not that dark, then you should definitely invest in an eyebrow pencil. It is a must. And yeah, after using this eyebrow pencil, you can definitely feel that I have shaped it much better. Obviously it looks better than this one. And the second thing that I completely love is an eyelash curler. I love eyelash curler. So yes, I will just show you how you do that exactly. And just see the difference. Just see the difference between these and these eyelashes. Oh my god, it is completely amazing. And specifically this one, Mega Eyelash Curler, you should definitely buy this one. Yeah, and you can see, oh my god, I love my lashes after using the eyelash curler. But if you are someone that needs more enhancement onto your lashes, then after using the eyelash curler, you can use any mascara that you wish. Oh yes, I'll just use this. You pretty much see the difference between this eye and this eye, and obviously it is very different. Next on my list is using a highlighter, and I love highlighters. They give you a natural glow sort of, and using a natural highlighter is a better option because you don't want to go over with the highlighter, and you obviously don't want if you want to go over with the highlighter, then you can definitely invest in a highlighter that doesn't really gives a natural finish. But I would say if you are a beginner, then do invest in a natural highlighter, a natural tone highlighter, and it will definitely look good. And also using a highlighter, using it on this and this area, gives a really good enhancement to your eyebrows. And even if you have very thin lips just like I have, then using it on this area and this area gives a sort of a good enhancement to your lips. So that is a very good option. I will show you 3 different lipsticks that you can actually have to rock the normal look. So you can see how much this lipstick looks like. This is just the normal pink color and a very lighter tone of pink. So you can, if you are going to college every day, then you can definitely try this out. And yeah, I will show you a new lipstick as well that you can try that will look equally good. If you're trying or wanting this very simple look for a day-to-day outfit, then you can definitely try this one. and as you can see how pretty it looks. So you should definitely have a nude lipstick as well, because trust me, they look good. And you should definitely have red lipstick or a version of red lipstick in your makeup bag, because trust me, they look so good and it just enhances your look. So I have this one. And yeah, you can see how a red lipstick completely enhances your look. Or I would say a bright lipstick, like pink one, like bright pink lipstick. You can pretty much see the difference. So yes, I guess that was it for today's video. If you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe, because it is free for you guys. I'll do that. Till the next time.